How to add watermark or logo in Picsart. Want to protect your work with a watermark or logo? Here's how to add it in Picsart. First, open your design or photo in the editor. Click on Add Photo and upload your logo file, preferably as a transparent PNG. Resize and position it in a corner or wherever it's least distracting. Lower the opacity slightly to make it subtle but still visible. Once you are happy with placement and size, click Apply and export your watermarked image. Do you prefer big, bold watermarks or small, subtle ones? Let us know in the comments below. Save your watermark file in high resolution and reuse it for consistent branding. And that's how you can add watermark or logo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.